Hey, Granny, on the way over here, Dylan's riding me back here, Grands, and he hit a turkey.
Can we eat it?
Check out this monster turkey. First kill of the year. Oh yeah, y'all. That's a big one right there. Monster. All right, y'all, next step is to find somebody that knows how to clean this turkey. We're from the country, so it shouldn't be a big problem to get it done. Update for y'all. Seems like no one wants to deal with cleaning a turkey today. So my granny knows how. So it looks like we're cleaning a turkey in my granny's apartment. I'm gonna be honest, I've never done anything like this. I mean, I've been wanting to learn, didn't know it was gonna happen today. I think I have a sensitive stomach, so I may throw up. But, you know, it's time to conquer some things, and we need to learn how to clean a turkey. So, join me in this next part. Goodness gracious, I can't believe I'm doing this. Here we go. First step, taking it to the shower. Granny's gonna be helping me figure this out. All right. Our next step is what?
Get the wing and pull it up as far from the body as it will go.
Uh-huh.
And underneath it, there's a groove there. Take the knife and just go in there and cut it off.
What? I'm cutting off the wing first?
Yeah, you need to clean them off. Get them
This
off.
smells like poop. For real.
Uh-huh.
It smells like poop. So I just cut the wing off. There's a groove.
Next to the body.
Oh gosh.
Honey.
I'm doing it. I mean, I'm time to man up and get this done. Already a struggle. So here's the wing. I'm supposed to now break this arm and cut through there to get the wing off. This is not easy. I mean, it's easier said than done, definitely. Film it, look, point it on me.
On you.
Point the camera where you see it on me.
Oh, okay, I see ya.
Bam. Alright, so we clean it now, right?
Yeah.
So I just, pull these feathers off?
No, yeah, but just take your knife.
Alright. Got turkey leg right there. Doesn't that look delicious, y'all? Okay, what do we do next?
Turn it over and get there where the bread. Best thing to do first is cut that neck off.
Okay.
That will help you to help.
Cut off the neck. Okay, where do we exactly cut the neck off at?
Show the neck a bit.
Where's the neck? Where do you cut it off the neck at? Just right there? Oh gosh, here we go.
Am I?
No, you're pointed at me. You gotta be able to see it. You gotta see me. You gotta see me. Turn the camera where you can see me. Look, over here. Right here. See? Hey, point the camera over here. Look. No, turn the camera to where it sees me. Do you see me in there?
Yeah.
Look, here you see me. Look, point it up.
I got you. I got
Okay. Okay, so we're cutting the neck off. Right here? Is that what you do?
you. Yeah, go down a little further.
Right here.
Yeah.
Is this too graphic for video, for people to watch?
Alright.
I don't know if it's too graphic or not, but I'm about to chop off the
Yeah.
Oh, golly, this is extreme. I feel like I'm on one of those Survivor shows. Alright, I have to break the neck, don't I? Do I have to break the neck? Do I break the neck? Do I break the neck?
Yeah.
I break the neck.
When you cut down in there, break it off.
Okay.
The neck.
Okay. And there's turkey neck.
Yeah. You can just throw that away. You kissing him goodbye?
Thank you, Bird. Alright, what's next?
Now you take your hand, there where the neck, where you cut it off, reach in there at the skin and pull down, and that'll pull the skin down off of the breast.
Okay.
You can get in there and cut it out.
Front of the breast part.
Yeah, that's what you're after now. You just take your fingers and go about the neck, inside of it, and pull down.
Okay, so we're just gonna be pulling down. So I've been cutting it, pulling it back and cutting it off. Here's a big old piece of meat. Oh, okay, so you gotta have a sharp knife. As you get down in here, what you do is cut along there. Just bring your knife and just slowly slice and pull it apart. And it's really easy. I mean, the meat, it's not any blood, and the meat's just right there, so I gotta get to it all. If you end up pulling this up, you'll notice that all the guts are in there. And when you do that, it smells like poop. Winner, winner, turkey dinner.
Right.
Alright, we got the meat right here. Soak it in the water. Salt water, we're gonna let it soak overnight, then take the rest of the feathers off, clean it up real good, and then fry us the dinner. Well, in conclusion, that's basically a rough version on how you clean a turkey. I could have done a little bit better of a job, I think, which I will do better with better explanation whenever I get me a turkey. With my compound bow, y'all. It's one of my bucket list goals. I want to take down a turkey with my compound bow and eat it, because I really didn't kill this turkey. This is Dylan's first kill, not mine. Turkey on the George Foreman. The end. Extra. Yeah. Pepper jack cheese, baby.